we obtained or purchased a new synthesizer of the same time as we used previously, but that was borrowed, and this one is a newer version, the PM 5193 Model V, which carried on its top also the information Fluke and Philips. There is a small deviation between the reading out of the older version, whereas we were reading regularly 506.0286.287, and here we have more or less an equilibrium at 506.0301 Hertz. Sadly, in the accompanied manual, which actually is valid for the S-type and the SM type, it should be possible to connect also an external clock, and 10 megahertz, 5 megahertz, and 3 1/3 megahertz, 2.5 megahertz, 2 and 1 megahertz. Sadly, this one is not responding on the quartz signal, and I don't know why, but we have to live with it. That we will have a small deviation, that is normal. And it's only just over a millihertz and 1.4 millihertz or so, and that is a very minor deviation. And on top you see the black box, which is in fact containing a Hewlett-Packard 10,000 series of quartz oscillator, which, by the way, is an extremely stable oscillator, which provides, after several weeks of running, of operation, its stability goes into the 10-10, which is a quite astonishing achievement. I get the impression now that 506.0301, maybe later, after some time, exactly 506.0300, maybe, I don't know. But you see the spot just a few degrees to the right of due north. That is the deviation meaning downwards. It means the synthesizer is having a slightly too high frequency, which we might even not, we can't compensate with the 10,000th of a hertz, because the last digit is a 10,000th of a hertz. And sadly, but we may have to interpolate with it, and that is a shortcoming of our equipment.